Welcome back, guys. So the next video is from our Bachata Sensual Combinations online program. If you like this type of videos and you want to learn Bachata Sensual online with us, make sure to check out the first link in the description. But now, enjoy a preview, not really a preview because it's a whole video of one of our online programs. Hope you like it.
Me mientes y yo finjo que te creo, sin pensar que no lo veo. Ay, pero qué tonta estás. Siempre despiertas de madrugada a contestar sus llamadas, pero ya no aguanto más. Y dime, mi amor, ¿por qué me mientes y no me miras de frente y me dices la verdad? Dime, ¿o es que acaso tú no sientes que me muero lentamente? No sé dónde iré a parar. Dime, mi amor, ¿por qué la gente ya te nota indiferente? Los escucho murmurar que tú me vas a dejar.
So guys, the first thing that we're doing is a reverse side wave in open position. So let's show it first without a partner and then with a partner. We're going to show it first from this point of view. So we're going to prepare in 3 and 4, going up and preparing our hips. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we are here up, we're going to bend our knee between 4 and 5 here, and then we're going to go with the hip to the right on 5. We're going to continue with the hip and slowly the upper body starting to come as well in 6. At the end will be the head in 7, and we go straight in 8. Let's do it one more time. In 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Tap, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what the leaders are doing. The followers are doing this in the other direction. So now let's show the other direction. We are here in 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. The preparation is here in 7, 8. Well, of course, with the partner is 3, 4. And then we go here and 1, 2, 3, tap. So again, like you see, first we go a little bit down, then we go with the hip to the left here, then we continue with the hip and the upper body starts coming as well here, falling a little bit, and at the end is the head, and then we tap.
Yes, 2 tips for the side wave. So the first thing is that you try not to go into a squat position like bending both knees, but that you have the focus on really bending the one knee where you want to go down. In the follow-up position, it's the right leg. So you really try to bend this, and then you always keep pushing from this knee, from the right leg, to the other side. This is the second tip. There are many people, they do the reverse wave and then they transfer the weight too early and then they try to come up on the wrong side. So if you always try to keep the diagonal in your body, you will always have a better control of your weight and of the body movement than if you try to be here and push up there, okay?
So now let's do it with a partner. Like we said, we are in the open position. So we have tension in our arms. They are not here or also not here. So we have them straight down. So we are showing our triceps. And we do the preparation in 3 and 4. Let's show it first from this point of view and then from the other. So we go 1, 2, prepare. Then we do exactly like we said, like we did with our partner. But we're going to add a caricia in the moment, look here, in 5. 6, notice how the upper body here, it's opening. In this moment is when we can say, okay, let's use this opening of the body to do the arm and bring it up, boom, and do it a caricia for me. Let's do it one more time in 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, caricia and tap. Like you can see, the caricia is being done like this. So I'm not bringing the caricia like this, guys, okay? With the elbow, it's not coming between us. It's going like in a circle this way up, and I'm placing the hand on my left shoulder, okay? Let's show it from this other point of view. In 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. I let go the hand, and from here we're gonna continue by doing a normal turn for us, but the hand we're gonna grab it again, and we're gonna do an arm breaker, a hammerlock for us, and this one goes up. So from here I go 1, 2, 3, tap. Notice here, super important, we're doing the normal basic steps and we are walking the turn. So I'm not going from here and going like I start walking and then I return, okay? That's a big mistake that happened in some of the workshops that we've been teaching this figure at. So make sure to, from here, walk, walk, walk. Of course, small steps, but respect the basic. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's show it from this point of view, the whole thing until there, and then we continue in 7, 8. 1, 2, prepare, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap. Okay, guys, now that we are here, from here, we're gonna lead her with the hand that has like the arm breaker position to walk that way and at the end do a half turn while we do exactly the same. We walk to that direction and we do a half turn at the end. So we are here tapping, we're gonna do the basic steps, okay? So this one will not be leading anything other than another arm breaker for us. We are here in 4, we go 5, we go 6. Notice how I will not lead her here anything, I will let her very relaxed, and from this hand it's the turn for her and the turn for me in 7 and 8, okay? Let's show it one more time. We are here tapping, tapping with 4, and we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it one more time from this point of view. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go 5, 6, 7, 8.
So for us follower, it's actually pretty easy because we always do our basic steps. As you saw, I do a cross forward when I walk behind him. You don't have to do it, but I like it as a little styling. And always make sure that if you don't have like too much to do and you don't, because he's dancing and he has both of your hands, always make sure that you have a very good posture and that you maybe try to do some poses or something and that you're not just watching him what he's doing, okay?
So we are here. From here, we're gonna do one more time a change of places. This one, we'll do kind of like a, not a caricia, it's more like a, to do the turn, a little bit like a caricia. So we go through the hand, here through the opening of the hand in 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna prepare another turn. Okay, let's do everything from the top and then we continue in 7, 8. 1, 2, prepare, and 5, 6, caricia, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, guys, now that we are arrived in this position, let's go. We're gonna do from here a half turn, okay? So we're gonna turn her only halfway, but we will not come with her, okay? So we're just gonna give her the impulse and we're gonna stay on the other side. So again, we're both gonna be doing basic steps, super important. We are here in 4. Notice how I lead with this one, the one that is up with my left hand, and I bring it directly to the shoulder. So I go 5, 6, and from here, I tell her, oh, stop there, and go back in 7, 8. And I will change the position of, and I will change the hand, okay? One more time. We are here in 1, 2, 3, 4. We go step, step, and the hand on the shoulder, and from the shoulder we say step and tap. And here is the change of hand. From here, before we show it from the other point of view, we're gonna do step, tap, but we're gonna lead it. How do we lead it? So we tell her, come here, and super fast we're gonna tell her stop. So from here we go 1, stop. So we stop her here, but not only here, I'm also stopping her from over here because we have tension, and I'm telling her here, here and stop, and then go back. The impulse comes from here or a little bit from here as well, and we go back as well. And we're gonna do this 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So we go in 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here, what can we do to decorate? First a little bit the leader and then the follower, okay? We are here. What we're gonna do is we're looking away And when we come to her, we look at her. That's the first thing. So here it's like we look at her, and then we go away, we look at her, and then we go again. The other thing that we can do is like to fall a little bit more into the hips. This means that from here, we go here, and I fall into the hip, like very strongly. I think she's doing that as well. And then from here, I go back, and maybe I fall into the other one, okay? And we repeat that one more time, here and here.
Okay, for us, we have kind of the same stylings as the leader. So the first and most important thing is the hips, as he already mentioned. So really try to go into the hips and not stay somewhere up here. The second thing that you can do is the leg. So I really like crossing the leg. You stretch the other leg on top of the other one. This makes the movement look a lot bigger than if you just do this. And I go from here and here. The other thing that he mentioned is the head. So I look away, and then I look at him when we come together. Last thing is the left arm. You can put it either into your hips like this, or you just put it into a pose down, and then you can do the movement.
So let's do everything from the top, and then we continue. So we are here in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, prepare. 5, 6, caricia, and 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now that we are here, guys, we're gonna now lead another time this one, but now we're not gonna stop her. So we're just gonna change places. So for this, followers, make sure to stay looking to the front and do not rotate to us automatically, and we won't do the same. So we will just walking in a straight line in 1, 2, prepare the turn in 3 and 4. We're doing basic steps, and from here we're just gonna do a pretzel. So now we're gonna give her the impulse to walk in a straight line. So we need to, of course, do the impulse for a turn like this, but try not to do the impulse too much that way, and try to really make it in a straight line to the left. And when she starts like rotating and looking at us in 5, she will see that we have this hand over here, and she's gonna give it to us here in 5, 6, 7, tap, okay? So guys, make sure that you don't go looking for the hand, but like you trust that when you do this turn and you have this one, that she's gonna give it to you. Of course, if you don't ask for it, she won't. Like if you're here and you do this, you could also do it this way. But she has eyes. So in the moment that I'm here and I go like 5, 6, 7, tap, and we do the pretzel. Of course, here, you could either do the impulse wrong, like not in a straight line, or maybe she doesn't turn in a straight line. She could also go to the back or a little bit diagonally, of course. So you would need to change your direction, your position, and adapt. So let's say she turns a little bit more that way. It still works. We go from here and we go 5, 6, 7, 8. We still end up in the pretzel. So it's not a problem. We just have to adapt in the social parties in case she's not turning in a straight line.
Yes, but follower, be cautious and really try to understand not only the preparation, but also get the direction of the impulse, okay?
So now that we are in the pretzel, we're gonna do a body wave and we're gonna sit down, okay? So guys, we're doing a side wave and the followers, they're doing a normal body wave. So we prepare here a little bit in 7, 8. Well, with the turn, the preparation still exists. You just have to do it a little bit faster and a little bit smaller. And from here we go in 1, 2, 3, 4. But we're not gonna end here. From here, in this 4, we're gonna start bringing the energy a little bit more up and closing the chest as a preparation for our bounce. So when we are here and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, I prepare. Look how we are not here in the sitting position, but we're more a little bit here. And now this one, we can let go of it or we can keep it, because on 5, we're gonna give the impulse to our left side, to her front, and we're gonna do our step to the back in 5. Boom. From here, we do a small, we are stopping her with both our hands. The 6 is a pause, and then we bring her back and we come back as well in 7, 8. Let's do it one more time in 7, 8. 1, 2, prepare, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now guys, you don't need to cross. You can stay here and only go like this and like this. So the This one is a styling that I'm adding. So I'm adding the styling of the feet in pum to make the effect, the figure look a lot bigger without sending her a lot further away, of course, but you can also stay just here if you want and just pick her back up.
Yes, for us it's very important that we try to make a nice pose and that you don't go like too slow, but that you really try to make an effect of this fast motion to be like, I'm up, and open your chest and bring up your chin, and you really try to be very present. Also, he can let go of your right arm, which would be like the best case if you want to do some styling. So if he lets go of the arm and he brings you into the impulse, you have different options. I like to do bring the arm up because it makes the movement even bigger and like pulling up. So if you want to see from the front, I have a pose in the hand and I go up here. Okay, I have a little circle like this, and then he brings me back. I bring my hand to my chest, or if I know him well, I would also close to his chest like this.
So we are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do it from the other point of view, from the top, in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, prepare. 5, 6, caricia. 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Change hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, pretzel. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, bounce. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4.
So guys, we hope you really enjoyed this combination. It's one of our latest combinations that we've been teaching at workshops. Make sure to practice them, and maybe if you want to practice only one part, just do one part and try to add a little bit of musicality to your dance. See you in the next video.